Pasta is easy to make and very adaptable. There are hundreds of types of pasta shapes. In this recipe, we'll be making fresh pasta and then using it to make ravioli. When making pasta, try to use 00 flour. This is a finely sieved flour which benefits from a very high gluten content. Firstly, put 200 grams of 00 flour into a mixing bowl and make a small well. Now add the egg and the egg yolk. With clean hands, begin to fold the eggs into the flour and continue mixing until the mixture forms a soft dough. This should take 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know when the mixing has been completed when the dough leaves the sides of the bowl clean. Now put the dough out onto the floured tabletop and work it until it resembles a ball. Knead it for a minute. It should be quite stiff and resistant. Now, wrap it in cling film and leave to rest in a fridge for at least 20 minutes before using. The longer you leave it, the more manageable it will become. Remove the pasta and cut into 2. Flatten a piece until it's about 10 mm thick. Now you are ready to thin the pasta. Begin with the widest setting on the machine and roll the dough through. Don't be tempted to fold the pasta and keep repeating this process. Each time, before you roll the pasta through, decrease the thickness setting until you reach the second to last setting. When you're making the ravioli, you'll be pressing 2 layers of pasta together and they need to be thin. So now take the machine down to its thinnest setting. The pasta should be wrapped in a damp cloth if you are not using it straight away. To make the ravioli, put a pasta sheet on your work surface and place a heaped teaspoon of the filling mixture at equal intervals along the pasta. Brush a little of the beaten egg around each filling, then layer another pasta sheet on top and carefully press down each filling ball to remove any air. Cut into circles with a cookie cutter. Then dust with semolina flour and set aside. To cook the ravioli, bring a pan of water to the boil. Drop the ravioli into the water and cook until they float to the surface. Drain the ravioli and place on a plate. Pour the sauce over the ravioli and a sprinkling of chopped parsley, basil, or grated cheese. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like and leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.